This is the final video to fix error 0xc1900107 on Windows 10. And I promise it's easier than you think. Are you seeing this error when trying to update your system? Don't worry, you're not alone. This error usually happens because leftover files from previous updates confuse Windows and block new updates. Many guides online make this problem look hard. They ask you to dig through folders or run complex commands, which can be confusing and risky. But today on Rexist, I'll show you a simple trick that solves in minutes. You don't need to be a tech expert or touch anything scary. This method cleans the leftover files safely and lets your updates run smoothly. If you want to make a full step-by-step tutorial showing every click and command, comment below and I'll create it for you. Follow Rexist for easy solutions like this, and soon, error 0xc1900107 will be gone for good.